What makes egg protein special is its quality. Nutrition scientists measure this using something called biological value, which simply asks how much of this protein can your body actually use. Eggs score at the very top. That means nearly all the protein you eat from an egg can be put to work, helping repair tissues, support your immune system, and keep your body strong. For anyone who wants to stay active, recover well, or simply feel steady on their feet, eggs offer a gentle, highly usable source of this essential nutrient. But eggs are about far more than protein. The yolk, the golden center, holds a quiet kind of fuel. Unlike lean meats, which the body uses mostly for building, eggs contain healthy fats that your body can readily turn into steady, lasting energy. This is one reason why people who choose eggs for breakfast often feel satisfied and focused for hours without the mid-morning slump that can come from sugary or highly processed foods. And for those watching their weight, this natural sense of fullness can be a helpful ally, supporting balanced eating without feeling deprived. Now let's look at the egg white. Often overlooked, it contains natural compounds that help protect the egg and may also offer gentle support for your body, too. You may have heard a myth that egg whites interfere with a B vitamin called biotin. That concern only applies if you're drinking many raw egg whites every day. When eggs are cooked, which is how most of us enjoy them, this is not a concern at all. So feel confident, a gently cooked egg is both safe and nourishing. There's one particular nutrient in eggs I'd like to highlight, especially for friends who stay active or are mindful about maintaining strength, an amino acid called leucine. Think of leucine as a gentle signal to your body, encouraging it to maintain and repair muscle. As we age, keeping our muscle mass becomes essential for independence, balance, and mobility. Eggs happen to be a naturally rich source of leucine, making them a simple, everyday way to support your body's strength from the inside out. Now, here's something truly special and rarely discussed in simple terms. Eggs are among the best natural sources of 3 key nutrients that work together: choline, vitamin B12, and folate. Together, they support a vital process in your body, sometimes called methylation. In everyday language, you can think of this process as your body's internal maintenance team. It helps repair cells, support healthy brain function, and keep your energy systems running smoothly. Some of us naturally have a harder time with this process due to genetics, and many don't even realize it. Eggs provide these nutrients in a form your body can easily recognize and use, which is one reason why so many people notice clearer thinking, steadier mood, and better overall vitality when they include eggs regularly in their meals. Now let's also talk about your eyes. Tucked inside that golden yolk are 2 powerful plant compounds, lutein and zeaxanthin. You can imagine them as a gentle internal pair of sunglasses for your eyes. They gather in the retina, the light-sensing part of your eye, and help filter harsh light from the sun or digital screens. Over time, this may help protect your vision and support sharp eyesight even in lower light. If you spend time reading, using a computer, or enjoying the outdoors, eggs can be a simple, delicious way to care for your eyes. And what about your brain? Your mind is made of delicate cells that thrive on specific kinds of fats, particularly phospholipids, which are abundant in egg yolks. These fats help keep brain cell membranes flexible and communicative. That's one reason why eggs are often associated with better memory, clearer focus, and a more balanced mood. Whether you're studying, staying mentally active in retirement, or simply wanting to feel sharp and present, eggs offer nourishment that your brain truly recognizes. Eggs also quietly deliver other important vitamins. They contain vitamin K2, which helps guide calcium into your bones where it belongs. They provide vitamin A in a form your body can use right away, supporting healthy skin and immunity. And yes, they offer a little vitamin D too, which plays a role in bone strength, mood, and overall wellness. All of this packed into a food that's affordable, easy to prepare, and gentle on digestion. Now, if you're wondering which eggs to choose at the store, here's a simple guide. If possible, look for eggs labeled pasture-raised. These hens typically have more space, access to the outdoors, and a more natural diet, which can lead to eggs with even richer nutrient profile. Organic refers to the feed the hens eat, which is a good thing, but it doesn't always mean the hens had outdoor access. Cage-free is a step up from conventional cage systems, though conditions can still vary. And if premium eggs aren't in your budget right now, please don't worry. Even conventional eggs are wholesome, nutritious choices, far more nourishing than many highly processed breakfast options. Remember, progress, not perfection. Every nourishing meal counts. Once you've chosen your eggs, a few simple pairings can help you get even more from them. Add a handful of leafy greens like spinach or arugula. The healthy fats in the yolk help your body absorb the beneficial antioxidants in those greens. Add colorful vegetables like tomatoes or peppers. Cooking them lightly can actually make some of their nutrients easier for your body to use. A sprinkle of black pepper isn't just for flavor, it may also help your body absorb certain beneficial compounds. And for lasting energy, consider adding a slice of avocado or cooking your eggs in a little olive oil or butter. These gentle fats support both taste and nutrient absorption. So, if eggs agree with your body and fit your lifestyle, enjoying up to 4 a day can be a simple, affordable, and deeply nourishing habit. They support your muscles, your mind, your eyes, and your overall vitality with a kindness that suits every stage of life. And if you found this helpful, you might also enjoy our next conversation, exploring how combining eggs with other wholesome foods like milk or leafy greens can create even more powerful nourishment for your bones, your hormones, and your energy. I hope you'll join me for that one too. Until then, take good care of yourself. Eat well, move gently, and remember, small, consistent choices add up to a lifetime of wellness.